Oh damn. Okay, Brunister. How do
Yes,
you
sir.
deal? How do you deal with a woman who crush on you, like who are really into you, and they want to meet you, and they be like, "Hey, Bruni, can you come over my place?" How do you handle that? Do you go? Okay,
I
okay,
will.
okay. For instance, she just said like, she said like, "Come for a dinner. Come for dinner. Like, I've already cooked. Just eating. Can you go?"
I will not go, but I will handle them properly.
Yeah, fast, fast.
How do you handle?
On a right way.
Okay, tell us the right
As
way,
it should
cause
be.
okay, I won't mind. I won't mind. Like if you tell me that the right way, so that at least I'll apply too.
Uh, the right way is I'll handle them properly.
You know.
Shukran.